Parenting has never been easy, but breastfeeding? It's like entering a whole new world of questions, challenges, and, let's be honest, a bit of trial and error. Everywhere you look, there's advice from friends, family, and social media. But when you're sitting there dealing with sore nipples or worrying about your milk supply, all the help can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving into the top breastfeeding challenges moms face and, most importantly, how you can overcome them stress-free. Welcome to Parenting Playground, the go-to space where we share practical, healthy tips to make your parenting journey just a little easier. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more amazing parents like you. And hey, if you know a mom who could use some encouragement, go ahead and share this video with them too. Now, let's get started. First up, sore nipples, one of the most common challenges new moms face. While some discomfort is normal during the first few days, ongoing pain isn't something you should ignore. Here are a few quick solutions. Check the latch. A shallow latch is the #1 cause of sore nipples. Make sure your baby's mouth covers the areola, not just the nipple. Try nipple creams. Lanolin-based creams, or even a bit of your own breast milk can work wonders for healing. Take breaks and air out. Give your nipples some breathing room between feeds and avoid tight bras that could irritate the area. Remember, pain isn't a rite of passage. It's a sign that something might need adjusting. Next, let's talk about low milk supply. Moms often worry they're not making enough milk, but the truth is, most of the time, your body is producing exactly what your baby needs. If you are noticing a genuine dip in supply, here's what you can do: frequent feeding or pumping. Milk production works on supply and demand. The more you nurse or pump, the more milk your body will make. Stay hydrated and nourished. Your body needs fuel to make milk, so don't skip meals and keep a water bottle nearby. Galactagogues, foods like oats, fenugreek, and brewer's yeast can sometimes help boost supply naturally. And here's a bonus tip. If you're worried, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant. They're the superheroes of breastfeeding support. Breastfeeding isn't just physical, it's emotional. Many moms feel guilt, frustration, or even sadness if things aren't going perfectly. Here's my advice: be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Even one feeding is a victory, and your effort counts more than you know. Lean on your village. Whether it's your partner, friends, or an online group, support is everything. Breastfeeding may have its challenges, but you've got this. Every mom's journey is unique, and what matters most is finding what works for you and your baby. If today's tips gave you a little extra confidence, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Parenting Playground, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. 2. What breastfeeding challenges have you faced, and how did you overcome them? Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're doing amazing, Mom. See you in the next video.